Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Now fold it from the other side and press it. As a result, you have a cross-shaped crease on your paper. Now fold it horizontally from one side and then the other. And press well. Open it and fold the creases inwards and press well. Now fold a leaf type shape from one side, from the second one, the third one, and press it, and finally the fourth. Now fold it, open it up. You have multiple creases on your paper now. Now fold a triangle from one corner towards the crease, third side, and finally the fourth, and press it well. Now sharp the creases by pressing the folds. Alright. Now you have to give it a shape of a box. Fold it. Like this. And repeat the step from the other side. Oh, we forgot to glue it and it's done. Now repeat the steps from the other side, okay? And press them back. Now take another piece of paper to make the lid of the box. Fold it into two equal halves from one side and then the other. Fold all the corners towards the center. And press it well. Fold it. Now adding some details into the folds. Press it well. Then from the other side, repeat the step. Open the folds. Now sharpen the creases. Like this, fold it. Inwards from the second side, third one, and the fourth. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.